In this video, we'll explore Para Productivity System, an effective method that can help managers optimize their work and achieve greater results.
Para stands for Projects, Areas, Resources, and Archives. It's a system designed to improve productivity by structuring your work and reducing digital clutter. As a manager, staying organized and productive can be challenging. Para offers a solution that reduces overwhelm, clarifies priorities, and helps you manage your work effectively. Let's dive into the 4 categories of Para. Projects are specific, time-bound efforts, while areas represent ongoing responsibilities and roles. Resources include materials and information relevant to your projects and areas, and archives store completed or inactive items. These categories work together to streamline your work. By organizing and managing projects, areas, resources, and archives, you gain clarity and control over your tasks. Now, let's look at how you can implement Para in your own work. Start by identifying your current projects and categorizing them. Then, define your ongoing responsibilities and roles. Gather materials and information related to your projects and areas, and create a system to store completed or inactive items. There are tools available to help you with Para. Notion, Evernote, and Microsoft OneNote are just a few examples. Para provides several advantages for managers. Enhanced organization and focus will help you prioritize tasks and eliminate distractions. Improved efficiency and reduced overwhelm will streamline your workflow and alleviate stress. Here are some tips to make the most of Para. Schedule regular reviews to update and maintain your Para system. Conduct team training sessions to familiarize your team with Para. Customizing Para to fit your unique needs and workflows will maximize its effectiveness. Adapt the Para method to suit your team's specific requirements and workflows. To measure the impact of Para, establish key performance indicators and feedback mechanisms. Define key performance indicators to measure productivity improvements and use feedback loops to gather insights and make necessary adjustments. Conduct regular assessments to ensure that Para is delivering the desired results. Make adjustments as needed to optimize its effectiveness. In summary, Para is a productivity system that can help managers streamline their work, improve focus, and achieve better results. I encourage you to implement Para and monitor its impact on your productivity and overall work performance. Start today and experience the benefits of a more organized and efficient work life.